Here it is given that 16 power 3 by 4 plus 2 into bracket 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 minus 1 and into 3 power 0. I have converted 16 as 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4 and plus 2 into 2. I have taken the reciprocal of this value, and as you know that any power 0 will give you 1. So what we are going to get, 4 cancelled out, so I got 8, 2 into 2 4 into 1 4, so 8 plus 4, that is equals to 12. In this case, question number 12, it is being given that 64 upon 125 to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 upon 256 upon 625 to the power 1 by 4 plus under root 25 and cube root 64 power 0. So I have converted 64 upon 125 as 4 upon 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3, and I have converted 256 upon 625 as 1 upon 4 by 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, and again as the power is 0, whole value will become 1. Now finally I got 5 by 4 to the power 4 by 5 to the power minus 2. I have converted, then removed that negative sign and taken reciprocal of it, that is 5 by 4 to the power 2 divided by, here 4 cancelled out, and I have taken this 5 as a numerator and 4 as a denominator, so it will become 5 by 4 plus 1. So again the bases are same, so and sign is division, so I have subtracted the powers, so I got 5 upon 4 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 5 upon 4 plus 1, or I have taken the LCM, so I got 9 upon 4 as the answer. Now question number 13, it is given that 64 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 8 to the power 0, and whole power is minus 1 upon 2. So 64 I have taken as 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 to the power minus 4 as taken as 1 by 4 divided by 8 to the power is taken as 1, and power is 1 minus 1 upon 2. So here I will get 16 upon 4 divided by 1 minus power 1 by 2. So I have cancelled it out, 16 upon 4. I got 4 to the power minus 1 upon 2. So again I have converted 4 as 2 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. Again 2 cancelled out. I got 2 to the power minus 1, and that is equals to 1 upon 2. Here under root 2 square into 4 root 256 upon cube root 64 minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2. 2 into 2, you know how to find the square root. So if you calculate the square root of 4, you will get 2. If you will calculate 4 root of 4, you will get 4. 256, you will get 4. And again cube root of 64, you will get 4. So 2 into 4 upon 4, 4 cancelled out. So what I am having, 2 to the power, here we are having 2 to the power minus 2. So it will become 2 minus 4, that is equals to minus 2. Here again it is given that 32 to the power 2 by 5 into 4 to the power minus 1 upon 2 into 8 to the power 1 upon 3 whole upon 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 64 to the power minus 1 upon 3. Again I have taken 32 as 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5, 4 as 2 to the power 2 into minus 1 upon 2, 8 as 2 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. So after cancelled out, and in denominator also I have taken the same case. I have converted this as 1 upon 4 divided by 64 I have taken as 4 to the power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. Finally what I got, 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 2. So 2 to the power 2 is 4, and 2 to the power minus 1, I have multiplied 4 into 2, and 2 to the power minus will go as denominator. So 2 will cancel out, and you are going to get the answer as 4. Next question is here 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 49 to the power n plus 2 and 343 to the power n plus 1 and whole 2 upon 3. So I have not touched the first value. Secondly, I have converted 749 as 7 to the power 2 and I have multiplied this and this by 2. So I got 7 to the power 2n plus 4. Here I have converted 343 as 7 to the power 3. So I got 7 to the power 3 into n plus 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 cancelled out. So finally what I got? 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 7 to the power 2n plus 4, 7 to the power 2n upon 2n plus 2. I have taken 7 to the power 2n plus 2 as common. So as here 3 sevens were there, so 1 7 will left over. Here 4 sevens were there, so 2 7 will left over. Numerator and denominator, this part I will cancel out. So I will just, what I will do, 7 minus 49, what I got, minus 42. Here it is given within bracket 32 under root 32 minus under root 5 power 1 by 3, under root 32 plus under root 5 power 1 by 3. So first of all, I have used the identity that if the powers are same, so I can multiply the base. So I have multiplied the base and I got the identity. You might be remembering that a plus a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So under root 32 square you will get 32. Under root 5 square you will get 5. So 32 minus 5 you will get 27. 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 is cancelled out. So 3 is your answer. In this question, say x to the power m upon x to the power n whole power l, x to the power n, x to the power l whole power m, x to the power l, x to the power m whole power n. So first of all, I have shifted this n to the numerator. Say x to the power m minus l multiplied by m minus n multiplied by l, x to the power n minus l multiplied by m, x to the power l minus n multiplied by n. Then I have multiplied all the values. So I got x to the power ml minus nl, x to the power nm minus lm, x to the power ln minus mn. So as the bases are same, so I have added all the powers. And just what I saw, that each positive value is having the negative value. So all the exponent powers will be cancelled out and you will be getting 0 as answer, 0 as power. So x to the power 0, that means 1. In this, lm root x to the power l, x to the power m, mn root x to the power m, x to the power n, nl root x to the power n, x to the power l. In this case also, first of all you will shift this l minus m and this will become the denominator. So see here, I will get x to the power l minus m upon lm, x to the power m minus n upon mn, x to the power n minus l upon nl. So x to the power l minus m upon lm plus m minus n upon nl, as the bases were same, and x l minus l upon nl. I have taken the LCM of the three, that is l, m, n. I have multiplied the first part by n, second part by n, third part by m, l and then n, m. So I got this value. Again what I saw, that the numerator part is being cancelled out and I am going to get 0 there. So x to the power 0 upon l m n is equals to, you can say, x to the power 0, and that is equals to 1. Here it is a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. So I have removed the negative sign by taking the reciprocal of all the 4 values. Then I have just simply taken the LCM and I got a plus b upon ab. Here I got b square minus a square upon a square b square. This multiplied sign I have changed, converted into division sign I have changed into multiplication sign. So I will take the reciprocal of it. So I got a plus b upon ab and a square b square upon, I have used the identity a plus b, a minus b. So it will become b plus a, b minus a. So a plus b, b plus a will cancelled out, ab and square will cancelled out. So I will get ab upon b plus a.